Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I just made the most delectable cornbread starting with the Jiffy corn muffin mix. First off, we're gonna start with 1 stick of butter. Yeah, you can't go wrong when you use 1 stick of butter. Next, you're gonna use 1 can of cream corn and 1 can of regular corn kernels. Yummy. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar. I think this is optional because the actual Jiffy mix is sweet. And then 2 boxes of the 8.5 Jiffy corn mix. Lastly, a cup of sour cream. Yeah, this is gonna be delish. You mix that all up, put it in the oven at 400 and cook it for an hour. This cornbread mix is so delicious. It's so moist because it has that cream corn in there. It's like dessert, truly. I am so happy I was able to get this in a 4-pack and for such a great deal. The recipe called for 2 of these 8.5 boxes, and so now I have enough to make another batch. If you're looking to make absolutely amazing cornbread, definitely start with your Jiffy corn muffin mix. But that's just my point of view.